Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Tide Pods is probably one of the most convenient ways to do laundry. These pre-measured detergent packs promise a powerful clean with minimal effort. But are they all they're cracked up to be? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Tide Pods, exploring their effectiveness, ease of use, and overall value to help you decide if they're the right choice for your laundry routine. Number 5. Tide Pod Spring Meadow 81 CT. Introducing Tide Pods. This is a 3-in-1 laundry pack that gives you a surprisingly powerful clean in just one step. It contains super concentrated detergent, extra odor fighters, and extra stain removers. These convenient packs combine the power of detergent, odor fighters, and stain removers. They are designed to make your laundry routine easier and more effective. It's a simple solution for a thorough clean. Tide is America's #1 detergent brand, based on sales. You can trust this product to deliver exceptional cleaning performance. It's a brand that families have relied on for generations. The pods dissolve completely in any water conditions, hot or cold. This ensures that it leaves no residue behind. It's designed for all washing machines. Whether you have a standard or high-efficiency washing machine, this product works effectively. It's designed for all machine types, providing a consistent clean every time. It's the perfect choice for any household. What we like? This Tide Pod offers a surprisingly powerful clean in just one step, making laundry day a breeze. It works in all washing machines, so you don't have to worry about compatibility. If you're looking for a convenient and effective detergent from a trusted brand, this is a great choice. What people say. Tide Pods clean great. They are easy to use. They dissolve quickly in the wash. Number 4. Tide Pods Laundry Detergent Packs, 81 count, original scent. Tired of tough stains? Upgrade to these Tide Pods for effortless cleaning. This laundry detergent cleans tough stains and odors in just one wash. These are pre-measured, concentrated laundry detergent packs. They have built-in stain removers, odor fighters, and color protectors, all in one convenient pod. This laundry soap cleans deep and fights odors. It leaves your laundry smelling fresh with the original Tide scent. It keeps your clothes smelling great. Worried about cold water washes? This detergent dissolves quickly and activates deeply on stains, even in cold water. It's designed for all washing conditions. Get more cleaning power with every pod. This laundry detergent is super concentrated with 3x cleaning ingredients per dose compared to the leading bargain liquid detergent. Using these pods is simple. Just add them to the washing machine drum before your clothes. For larger or heavily soiled loads, you can use an additional pod. This pack includes 81 Tide Pods laundry detergent packs with the original scent. Remember to keep it away from children, just like any household detergent. What we like? This Tide Pod provides a deep clean, tackling tough stains and odors in a single wash. It is designed to protect your colors while fighting odors, leaving your clothes fresh. If you have a busy lifestyle and need a detergent that delivers powerful results with minimal effort, you should consider this. What people say. Tide Pods clean better than any other detergent I have ever used. They are easy to use. The convenience of the pods is great. Number 3. Tide Pods Free and Gentle Laundry Detergent Packs. Introducing Tide Pods Free and Gentle. It provides a deep clean that is gentle on your skin. This detergent cleans better than the leading free detergent packs. This product is trusted by experts. It is certified by both the NEA and NPF, ensuring its quality and safety for your family. This laundry detergent is hypoallergenic. It's made without irritating residues, dyes, or perfumes, making it perfect for sensitive skin. It's a 3-in-1 concentrated detergent. This includes being scent-free, hypoallergenic, and a powerful stain remover, all in one convenient pod. Tide Pods effectively work on 100% of common stains. You can trust it to safely clean all your washable fabrics, leaving them fresh and clean. This detergent offers exceptional cleaning performance. It works well in all washing machines and water conditions, even in cold water. Each package includes 81 count of Tide Free and Gentle liquid laundry detergent pods. It's a convenient and effective solution for your laundry needs. What we like. This Tide Pod is gentle on the skin, making it perfect for those with sensitive skin or allergies. It's also hypoallergenic and free of irritating residues, dyes, and perfumes. If you have sensitive skin or are looking for a detergent that's gentle and effective, this is the perfect option. What people say. Tide Pods clean great. They are easy to use. The pods dissolve completely in the wash. Number 2. Tide Pods Plus Downy April Fresh, 61 count. Introducing Tide Pods Plus Downy. This innovative product cleans and conditions your clothes in just one step. It helps protect your clothes from stretching and fading. Enjoy the delightful April Fresh scent with Tide Pods Plus Downy. It provides outstanding freshness that lasts. You'll love how your clothes smell. Tide is America's #1 trusted laundry detergent brand, according to a Reader's Digest survey. This product is a testament to the brand's commitment to quality and effectiveness. Trust it to clean your clothes. Each Tide Pods is a 4-in-1 solution, including detergent, stain remover, brightener, and Downy fabric protect technology. It simplifies your laundry routine. This does it all. The new special film now dissolves even better in both hot and cold water. This ensures that the product works effectively in any wash cycle. It's designed for convenience and performance. What we like. This Tide Pod combines the cleaning power of Tide with the fabric protection and freshness of Downy. It helps protect your clothes from stretching and fading while leaving them with the signature April Fresh scent. If you like your clothes to smell fresh and last longer, you should consider this. What people say. Tide Pods clean clothes very well. They are easy to use. The pods dissolve completely in the wash. Number 1. Tide Pods Original Scent Laundry Detergent. Introducing Tide Pods, the ultimate laundry solution. This innovative product provides a surprisingly powerful clean in just one step, making your laundry routine easier than ever. Each Tide Pods contains super concentrated detergent, extra odor fighters, and extra stain removers. It's a complete cleaning package in a convenient, pre-measured pack. These pods dissolve completely in any water condition, ensuring no residue is left behind. You can trust it to work effectively, no matter your washing machine. Tide Pods are designed for use on fabric. It's safe and effective, providing a thorough clean while protecting your clothes. Whether you have a standard or high-efficiency washing machine, Tide Pods are designed to work for you. It's the perfect choice for any household. What we like. This Tide Pod offers a surprisingly powerful clean in just one step, making laundry day a breeze. It works in all washing machines, including he machines. If you are looking for a convenient and effective detergent, this is a great choice. What people say. Tide Pods clean clothes very well. They are easy to use. Tide Pods are convenient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.